just a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Cheese and onion, quiche, flan, whichever one you want to call it. I showed you how to blind bake, so that's now baked up, ready for me to fill. So I'm going to move it out of the way. Right, now these are some of my own eggs. Well, all of them my own eggs. Not my eggs, my chicken's eggs. Now, as this is quite a size tin, well, size case, I'm going to put 7 eggs. They range in sizes because not each one is exactly the same. The same chicken might lay small egg one day and a large egg next day, or vice versa. There's 5. Some more. See, you can see the difference in size. It doesn't matter. They're all edible. 5, 6, 7. Oh, we'll make it 8. Because, as I say, this is rather a large pastry case. Then just beat it together. You can add salt, pepper, whichever you want. I just want it to taste of cheese and onion. So there's some salt and a little bit of pepper, and that's now mixed. Now, rather than just putting my onions, these were frozen onions which I've just cooked down, and they'll be ideal. So basically I'm working out, I'm going to make 4 of them, so that's about half, and that's about half. Let's get a spoon. Oops, I put them straight away in my egg mixture, because if you put them in the pastry case, you can have just air around them and not egg, and you want egg to be all around them. So there's a quarter of the onions. How many? Oh, done. How much onion is up to you. Cheese. I've grated a load of cheese up. I put that in with the eggy mixture. Give it a sear round. Now, sometimes if I've got fresh tomatoes, I will put fresh tomatoes on the top. I haven't, so I can't. But there's my pastry case. A bit of cheese didn't actually grate up, so put a bit of it in the bottom in chunks. Sometimes I put kefir soft cheese in the bottom of it. But once you've done your eggy mixture, tip it all over. And that can go back in the oven for about half an hour while I carry on and make the others, and I'll show you when it's done. Oh, I forgot about this. Put a few bits of cheese on the top to melt it. The reason I'm forgetting is because I haven't got tomatoes to put on top of it. But that's now ready to go in the oven. And there you have that quiche, cheese and onion quiche flan that I've done. And it's still slightly warm. These freeze really well, very well. As you can see, it's not stuck to the dish at all. Sorry, that was a dog burping. He's just had his tea. And there you can see lovely cheese and onion flan. It's not very deep, but I wanted to make 4 of them. It's still quite a substantial amount. So, thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect